Some plants are very special. They do not just live on sunlight. These are called carnivorous plants. This means they eat meat. Usually, they eat tiny insects. It sounds strange, but true. They have amazing ways to catch food. Why do these plants eat insects? They live in places with poor soil. The soil lacks many good nutrients. Nutrients are plant food, so they catch insects for extra food. This helps them grow strong. They still make food from sunlight, too. Carnivorous plants live in unique spots. Find them in swamps or bogs. These areas are often very wet. The ground is not good for most plants. Southeast Asia is a great home for them. Many different kinds grow there. The warm, wet weather is perfect. These plants have very clever traps. Not all their traps are the same. Some have deep pits for insects. Others use sticky hairs like glue. A few can even snap shut fast. Each trap type is special. It helps the plant catch its meal. A famous killer plant is the pitcher plant. In Southeast Asia, many are nepenthes. Their leaves are shaped like a cup. These pitchers can be very colorful. Some are red, green, or spotted. They hang from a tendril like a jug. A plant can grow many pitchers. How does a pitcher trap insects? The pitcher makes a sweet smell. This smell is from sugary nectar. Insects love nectar and come close. The pitcher's rim is very slippery. When insects land, they often slide in. Escape is then very hard for them. Inside the pitcher is a special liquid. This liquid is not just plain water, it has digestive juices called enzymes. These are like juices in our stomach. They slowly break down the insect. The plant then absorbs the nutrients. This is how the pitcher plant feeds. Nepenthes pitcher plants are amazing. Some types grow very large indeed. The biggest ones might trap small animals. A small frog could even fall in. Some pitchers work with other animals. Tree shrews visit certain pitcher plants. The plant uses shrew droppings for food. Another hunter is the sundew plant. Sundews are often small but clever. Their leaves have many tiny hairs. Each hair has a sticky drop on top. These drops look like morning dew. They sparkle nicely in the sunshine. But this sparkle is a deadly trick. When an insect lands, it gets stuck. The sticky drops are like strong glue. If the insect struggles, it gets more stuck. Then the plant slowly starts to move. Its sticky tentacles curl gently inwards. They wrap around the trapped insect. This ensures the insect cannot flee. Once trapped, the sundew starts to feed. The glands on its tentacles do two things. First, they make the sticky, dewy glue. Then they release some digestive juices. These juices cover the trapped insect. They slowly dissolve all its soft parts. The plant absorbs nutrients through leaves. Southeast Asia has varied sundews. Some grow in wet, very sunny spots. Others live in shady, quite damp forests. Bladderworts or utricularia also grow here. They often live in water or wet soil. They have tiny underwater bladder traps. These traps suck in creatures very fast. Carnivorous plants are truly wonderful. They have adapted in amazing ways. They live where other plants struggle. Their traps are nature's clever designs, from pitfall pitchers to sticky dew. Each plant shows life's great ingenuity. They are real survivors in plant world. These plants play a specific role in nature. They help control some insect numbers. This can be useful in their local habitat. Other animals interact with them too. Spiders might build webs on the plants. They try to steal the plant's next meal. Tiny creatures live inside some traps. Sadly, many of these plants are at risk. Their special homes are now vanishing. People drain wetlands or cut down forests. Sometimes people also overcollect them. This is because they are so very unique. We must protect these amazing plants. They are a special part of our earth. Learning about killer plants is exciting. They show nature's incredible creativity. There is so much more to find out. You might see one in a good garden, or you can read more about them. Remember these special, clever plants. They make our world more interesting.